Hey everybody, it's me Joe and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, you're going to see me and my wife Gail having another conversation. So this is going to be an advanced listening practice. Watch the conversation between Gail and I, and then at the end, I'm going to give you some questions. Some of them will be a little easy, some of them will be pretty hard, okay? Also, if this is your first time here on my channel, welcome. My name is Joe and I teach English to foreign students at a university in Canada. And if you want to improve your English and learn more vocabulary and grammar, you should subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button down below, okay? All right, I'm going to show you the conversation between Gail and I right now. What's a movie that you've seen recently?
Our daughter, Rachel and I went to see Little Women recently, and it was really good.
Okay. Why was it so good?
I've actually never read the book, and it's based on a famous novel, but I really liked the acting. The four female stars who played the four daughters in the story were really good.
Okay, all right.
How about you? What have you seen recently?
Well, last night we were home and we saw Mamma Mia 2.
I love that movie.
It's a fantastic movie. Great songs, great story. A little emotional at the end when Meryl Streep shows up. Ooh.
Yeah, you almost cried, I think.
Adam and I went to see Just Mercy last week.
Oh, that's right.
And that was about a black man in the United States, southern United States, Alabama, I believe. He was in jail for a murder that he didn't commit, and he was on death row.
Right.
And yeah, it was absolute, just so much racism. And it's a big problem in the past, and it's still a big problem in the world now. So it was a serious movie. Serious movie.
Yeah. Did Adam like it?
He did. He liked it from a, not a happy end. Like, it was a good ending, but wasn't a happy, feel-good movie. It was more technically, the acting was fantastic. The script was amazing, and it was a powerful story. All right. What kind of movies do you usually like?
I like dramas. I like romantic comedies. Sometimes an action movie. Yeah, those are probably my top three. How about you? I know you like any kind of movie.
I like almost any kind of movie except horror movies.
Yeah, I don't like those either.
So I'll go to see anything but horror movies. Not that I'm scared. I'm not a chicken. But afterwards, I'll play the movie again in my head when I'm dreaming. And then the scary scenes come up and I wake myself up.
Yeah.
So for weeks, I can't sleep. So
now, if it's a scary movie with a good story, I know you and I both really liked Sixth Sense.
Sixth Sense, yeah.
Older movie, but really good because it's not full of blood and gore and people being killed. It's a smart story.
Lots of suspense.
A lot of suspense and not even a lot of computer graphics or anything.
No.
The suspense was created by just regular scenes of regular stuff, but
yeah. Great acting and dialogue and the music, directing. Another movie that's kind of suspenseful, kind of scary that I really love was Shutter Island.
Yeah.
Leonardo DiCaprio was in that one. Wonderful. Great story. You're trying to figure it out right to the end. What's going on?
Yeah. But a smart story. It's not just blood and guts and people being killed or scared.
So those I can see suspense and they don't bother me. But horror, somebody chasing you around with an axe or Yeah. It's not my cup of tea.
I agree.
Have you gone to see any movies that you didn't like, or is there any movies that not your cup of tea really?
Wow. Oh, I remember a long time ago going to see a movie with one of my best friends. She wanted to go see some kind of action movie with Steven Seagal.
Hmm.
And I went just because she really wanted to go.
Yeah.
I fell asleep.
An action movie and you fell asleep.
That's all. I can't remember anything about it. Just Steven Seagal and yeah.
Steven Seagal, he's not my favorite actor because a lot of his movies were very similar. He played a guy. It could have been a cop. He could have been an ex-cop. Could have been a soldier. Could have been an ex-soldier. Always had the ponytail. And then he's got to fight a bunch of guys to win. It's pretty formulaic.
Oh, I just remembered one that I did not like. And I like most anything too. But The Matrix. You and I went to see The Matrix, and we took Adam. He was a baby, and they let you come in to certain movies with babies, and anyway, it was the worst movie ever.
No. The Matrix was the first one. We were watching The Matrix 2 with Adam.
Okay.
And that was the real bizarre. And I remember the scene where they're having a big fight, and then all of a sudden the guy flies away, and you're like, oh my God. And it wasn't funny, but I started laughing because you were so angry.
Well, it's like they fought and flew around in the air for about 10 minutes. And then, one guy just flew away, and I was like, why'd you fight for 10 minutes?
Yeah, there was no reason in the story or the plot.
Yeah, so stuff like that. But it's rare. That was a long time ago.
I like almost everything, but Adam and I, in the summer, we went to see a movie. It was a Bill Murray movie called The Dead Don't Die, and it was a zombie movie. And normally I don't like horror movies, but Bill Murray's in it, so you're thinking it's a zombie movie, but it's also kind of a comedy.
Yeah.
And I love Bill Murray, you know that. And there was big names. Adam Driver was in it also, and it was so bad. There was things happening that didn't make sense in the movie at all. People showed up and they followed them for a little bit, and then they were just cut out of the movie. And then aliens showed up, and it was just really. It seemed like some kind of art project by somebody in a film college, but it shouldn't have been a wide released movie.
Yeah.
It was.
What kind of ratings did it get on Rotten Tomatoes or?
I think it got like around 50, so it's bad, but not terrible.
Wow.
I've seen other movies that have gotten lower than that, and I've liked them. But, oh boy.
Did it make any money at the box office?
I don't really think it could have, because I don't think it stayed out very long. It was just...
But how do they do that in Hollywood? How can they make a movie like that? There'd be a big budget.
Millions of dollars.
And then it's a bust.
I don't know. I don't know who the investors are. Maybe there's just so much money down in Hollywood that they can afford to waste it, because that was not my favorite. Not my favorite at all. So some movies I like, some movies I don't, but the ones that I don't are very rare.
Me too.
Because even there's little things that I can like about them, but The Dead Don't Die, it's not even, don't check it out on Netflix. It's, oh my God. You might want to see it just to say, hey, why is Joe so upset about this movie? And then you'll know, but certainly don't go into it thinking, oh, Bill Murray, this will be good, because no, it wasn't. Okay, that was a pretty long conversation. I hope you listened carefully, because now here are the questions. Okay, here are the questions. And I will give you the answers at the end. So after you read the questions, you can pause the video and go back and look for the answers. Here we go. Number 1. What movie did Gail see recently? Number 2, true or false? She read the book. Number 3, when did we see Mamma Mia 2? Number 4, who went to see Just Mercy? Number 5, what kind of movies does Joe not like? Number 6, what scary movie did we both like? And number 7, what movie was Leonardo DiCaprio in? Number 8, what actor's movie did Gail fall asleep at? Number 9, which movie did Gail hate, The Matrix or The Matrix 2? And the last question, number 10, what Bill Murray movie did Joe hate? Okay, so those are all the questions. So now if you want to pause the video or go back and take a look, you can. All right, because I'm going to give the answers now. Number 1, what movie did Gail see recently? Little Women. Number 2, true or false, she read the book? False. Number 3, when did we see Mamma Mia? Just last night. Number 4, who went to see Just Mercy? It was Adam and I. Number 5, what kind of movies does Joe not like? I don't like horror movies. Number 6, what scary movie did we both like? Sixth Sense. What movie was Leonardo DiCaprio in? He was in Shutter Island. Number 8, what actor's movie did Gail fall asleep at? The actor's name was Steven Seagal. Number 9, which movie did Gail hate? The answer is The Matrix 2. She mixed them up. She said The Matrix, but the real answer was The Matrix 2, because I remembered. And last one, number 10, what Bill Murray movie did Joe hate? I hated The Dead Don't Die. All right. Did you get all the questions right? I hope you did. If not, go back and watch it again. All right. And if you have any other questions about English or suggestions about future videos you want me to make, write them down in the comments below. Also, always remember to check in the notes for more English learning opportunities. I put lots of links in there. All right. And if you're not too tired of watching me in videos, why don't you check out these ones?